will take a predicate as a parameter. What parameter? Predicate as parameter. We'll apply the predicate on the each element of the stream and we will return another stream containing the elements matching with the condition or matched with the predicate. So I told in the last session, filter is a method which accepts a predicate object as parameter. It has an argument of type predicate. Predicate is a functional interface. Predicate is a functional interface. Okay, we will discuss slowly, but you should get complete knowledge on this stream API. It is very, very important. This is very, very important. I will explain some operations. Later, you can try more operations. Observe here. In this list of operations, okay, means these are all the operations on filter, on the stream object. Operations means methods. Each method is called one operation. Okay, what operation I have executed on the stream object yesterday? Filter. This filter has a parameter of type predicate. Parameter name is predicate, but type is also predicate. So we know predicate is a what type of interface? Functional. If a method has a parameter of type functional interface, we can pass lambda expression to the method as a parameter. When we can pass lambda expression as parameter? If that method has a parameter of type functional interface, then only we can provide lambda as a parameter. We can provide lambda expression as parameter to the method. So here also I am passing lambda expression only. What's the lambda expression I am passing? E arrow token E dot get gender dot equals ignore case of female. You have to understand, it is difficult actually to get in one shot. Slowly you will understand. Okay, tell me, this is called what expression? Lambda expression. How I know that I should start the lambda expression with a one single parameter and then I should start defining the body based on the number of parameters in abstract method. And how should I know whether the expression body should return a value or not return a value? That also depends on the abstract method. If abstract method of that interface has a Boolean return type, then this body of the lambda expression should produce a Boolean result. If the return type is void, then it should not return any result. Good. Okay, what is my requirement next? I want to continue this example. I want to call fetch female employees method. Everybody look at this. This method I want to call in main class. Okay, we have started our example with the stream operations, stream API. You guys can see that. Yesterday, guys, we have created these things. One class we have created. What's the name of the class, guys? Employee.java. Next, we created one service class, guys. What is the name of the service class? Employee service.java. Now I want to write one main class. I will like define a main class. Just in the main class, I just want to create object for this employee service class. And then I want to call this method. Which method? Fetch female employees, which returns me. When this method is called, it will return a list. I can display the list. But that list contains all the employees or only the female employees? Only the female employees. Let us write main class. One more class I am creating. My one more class name is what class? Main class with main method. Look at this. Create the employee service object. Employee service is a class. Let's say object name is service equals to new employee service. So tell me, I have created an object for which class? Employee service. Now I want to call service dot fetch female employees. But whenever I call the method, it is going to return a list, right? This method returns what? List. So I should store the result into a list variable. If I want to store it, list of employee LST is equal to R. Okay, female employees is equal to, better to make it as readable, I am writing my list variable name as female. Female employees is a list variable. Female employees is a what variable? List variable. Tell me what this list stores, this variable stores. A list containing only female employees. Display them. Display them. How to display them now? You have a list variable. How to display the elements in a list? Again, you have to use either for each loop. Otherwise, you can use iterator. Or if you want, you can also use list iterator. List iterator is only for list object. Leave about that. Understand everyone? Guys, everyone try to focus here. Am I clear with so far whatever the things I have explained? Now listen here. From Java 8 version, even a collection object has for each method directly. No need of writing for each loop. Instead of writing for each loop, directly method is given. What's the method given? For each. Now from Java 8, for each loop shortcut is for each method. For each loop shortcut is for each method from Java 8. We can call directly for each method. Okay, look at this. Everybody, java.util.collection. I'm opening the documentation, guys. I want to open the documentation that everyone try to understand this. This is collection, which is an interface, right? In this collection, we'll go for F. Not in the collection, but we have it is in the list. Java.util.list object I'll open, which contains a for each. I'll show you. Okay, you can see we have a method called for each. I'll show you the for each method. This one. Not even collection. In which interface only it is available? Iterable. You know, iterable is a parent of collection. Say collection interface has a parent interface called what? Iterable. Even it is not in collection, iterable only. The root of this collection. Look at this. Everyone, collection is an interface. Who is a parent of collection? You can see by using extends keyword here. Interface name is what? Collection. Extends what? Iterable. Means iterable is the parent interface of collection. Parent interface of collection. Let us open the iterable, guys, and look at the iterable. What's the interface name? Iterable. Who is the parent of iterable? Interface iterable. Who is the parent of iterable interface? There is no parent for iterable. There is no parent for iterable. Iterable is the topmost interface or entry of this hierarchy. The entry is iterable. Iterable does not have a parent. No parent for iterable interface. Observe here. There is a method given. What's the method name? For each. Now for each method is a shortcut for each loop. This is from Java 8. How can you say it's from Java 8? Because it's a default method. What method? Default methods and static methods are added to the interfaces from Java 8 version. So for each method is also added from Java 8. Java 8. Look at this. For each method has a parameter. Okay, it has a parameter of type what? Consumer. Guys, you know, I told yesterday, even day before yesterday as well, there are 4 functional interfaces we should remember. What are the 4? Consumer, predicate, function, supplier. Supplier. At least these 4, first basically we should have the knowledge. And not only the interface name, you should also know about its abstract method. Okay, consumer is a functional interface. It has one abstract method. It's a function interface. What is the abstract method of consumer? Accept. Very good. Accept. What is a parameter of accept method? T, type. One parameter. Return type? Void.
Int. Void.
So, you have to remember this. I told even yesterday you have to by heart them. Okay. Okay. How we have by hearted the multiplication tables at the childhood. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, like that. Here also you have to by heart definitely these 4. What are the 4? Consumer, predicate, function, supplier. In each of them, their abstract method. That name of the method, it's a return type, it's parameter. How many parameters it has? It's mandatory. It is compulsory. Now tell me, what's the interface name here? Consumer. And consumer has one abstract method. What's the name of the abstract method? Accept. Accept. Accept is abstract method. Accept is abstract method. It has. Okay, it has how many parameters? One parameter. What is the return type of it? Void. It doesn't return any value. It will simply perform the operation on the given argument. Good. Tell me, we are discussing about which method? For each. We are discussing about which method, guys? We are discussing about a method called for each. Remember, for each method is accepting a parameter of type what? Consumer. If a method accepts any parameter of type a functional interface, then what we can pass to that method? Lambda expression. Lambda expression we can provide as a parameter. To write the lambda expression, first I should start with what? Parameter. For that, I should know how many parameters are there. One parameter. Next, the body of the lambda should return a value or not. How should I know? By using return type. What is the return type of accept method? Void. Means what? From the body of the lambda expression, it should not return any value. The lambda expression should start with how many parameters? One parameter. How many parameters? One parameter. So, look at this. I am writing female employees dot which method I am calling? For each. For each. What this for each method will do? It will perform the action on every element of the list. You define some action here. You provide some action. Okay, you provide some action using lambda or using lambda expression. This for each method will perform the given action on every element of the list. What the action I want to do is print it. E arrow token system.out.println of E. You have to learn this type of programming.
Sir, we can use methods also, which will reduce the code.
System.out.println of E. Hope you are getting my point. Tell me, this is called lambda expression. How do I know I should start this expression with a single parameter? Because of abstract method. How do I know whether it should return the value or should not return any value from the body? Return type. SOP statement will return any value? No. So the body of the lambda expression will return any value now? No. It prints a value but doesn't return the value. It's matching with the return type. Now what this for each method will do? It will perform the given action on every element of the list. On every element of this iterable object. Means list is iterable object only. Of course, list, set, queue, these are all what objects? These are collections only. Now, every collection object is iterable object. Iterable object. So this for each method will perform the specified action, the given action as an argument on every element of the list. Means how it is working? First, it is going to take the first element from this list. First element. And it will execute this action on the first element. Let's say first employee is taken. SOP is an action, print it. After that, second employee will be taken. Okay. Now, this E is a second employee. Second employee, second parameter, second employee, print it. Again, this for each method will take the third employee from this list, third element from the list, because it is going to perform this action on every element of the list. If the list has 5 elements, then this action is performed on 5 elements. What is action? Print them. Okay, let us execute this, guys. Done. Guys, I want to run this code. Now you can see out of all the employees, my result is only printing what employees? Female employees. There are 3 female employees out of the list of employees. Maybe I have a 10 or 11 employees are there, but out of that, only how many are female employees? 3 are female employees. 3 are female employees. I want to only segregate female employees from the list of employees. Then tell me, by using stream, can we perform this operation or not? Yes. What is the purpose of a stream? What is the purpose of using a stream object in our code? Just to perform some processing on the data. Mostly our data is going to come from collection object. Data is coming from collection object is holding the storing the data. But we want to do processing on the data. To do processing on the data, what object I need? Stream object. Stream object. So there is a collection object for which you are creating a stream object, and using stream object, you can start doing some processing operations. To perform these processing operations, you have various methods. Out of the various methods, what method you learned? Filter. What is that? Filter. You learned about a toList method. You learned about a for each method now. What method? For each method. For each method is a shortcut for each loop. For each loop. Now you no need of writing for each loop. Instead of that, you have a shortcut called for each method. For each method. Good. Today, please try to understand it. Okay. At the end, I will add this code to our document and I'll share it for your practice. But first, we want to define different methods to perform different operations by using Stream API. Okay. Tell me in this example, which method I have used? Filter. Remember, filter. Guys, next, let's have an operation like this. Okay. Let's say, for example, add, understand, add just a minute. Yeah. Add 10%. Add 10% hike for male employees. Okay, to their salary, how much hike I want to add? 10%. Only for which employees? Male employees. Only for male employees, add a 10% hike. They have some salary. But how much percentage you want to hike? 10% you want to hike. Only for which employees you want to hike? Male employees. Only for male employees. Okay. Public. Then I want to return the list. List of employee. List of employee. Understand everyone? List of employee. Employees after hike or whatever it is. Some method. Employees after hike. That's a method. Tell me, what should I do here? What is my requirement? I want to add 10% hike for which employees? Male employees. First of all, I have a list of employees. Tell me, which method will return me a list of employees to me? I have a list of employees, right? There are, okay, 3 plus 3 plus 2. 8 employees are there. Okay, which employees, which method can return all the list of employees? Get employees. So first call the method get employees. Tell me, get employees is a which type of method? I mean, is it a non-static method or a static method? Static. Static method can be called directly by using what name? Class name. Class name. I can call with a class name. Yeah. List of employee. Employees is equal to, this is common statement. Equal to, guys, what should I write? Employee service dot get employees. By calling this method, I can get what? Employees. A list of employees. Yes, I got the list of employees. Nice, good. Now tell me, what is our requirement? You have employees now. You have a list. What is our requirement? Add a 10% hike. But only for male employees means first I should filter. I should filter only male employees. I'll get all the male employees into one more stream. Then you should start hiking the salary by 10% on each male employee. After that, you convert those all male employees into a list and return it. What's the process? First, tell me, what should I fetch? First, what should I do? First, only filter the male employees from the list. If I want to filter, I should use a stream. Means first what you use a stream to filter the male employees. You will get all the male employees into one more stream. It's an intermediate operation. Next, add a 10% hike for each male employee. Then you will get another stream of employees with hiked salaries. With what salaries? Hiked. Now that stream you convert into list. Then return that. You got the 3 steps now. Tell me what are the steps I need to do. First filter. Only male employees. You got a stream. Next, after that, add 10% hike for each male employee. Then you will get another stream after hiking. Then convert that into list. Then return the list. For filter, we know which method I should call. Filter operation. Method is an operation. Stream has a filter operation we can do. I know that filter because last example also containing filter. In the last example, we are only filtering the female employees. In this example, we need to filter the male employees. So that is very easy. But next step is what? After filtration, add 10% hike for each employee salary. The male employees are left. So for that, we should know which operation I should call. In stream, multiple operations are there. Filter is one operation. Reduce is one operation. Find first operation, max operation, min operation. Like that, many operations are there in stream. If you open the stream, there are a lot of methods are available there. You have the lot of methods available in the stream. You can see these are all stream methods. Each method is representing an operation. Okay, collect operation, count operation, distinct operation, empty, find any, find first, flat map, okay, generate, iterate, limit, map, skip. So these are so many. These are all what? Different stream operations. Now I should call an operation called map. Look at this, guys. After filter, what's the next operation? Map. Map. What this map will do? It will apply the, I repeat, it will apply the given functionality on each element of the stream and returns a new stream containing the elements. It will take one by one element from stream. Suppose a stream is, initially stream is containing 8 employees. After filtering to female to male, after filtering only male employees, 5 employees are there. 3 are female, 5 are male. So what is the answer here? This is a stream of, tell me, is a stream of 10 employees. First stream. It's a stream of how many employees? 10 employees. It's a stream of 10 employees. Okay, E1, E2, E3, whatever. Object names can be anything, E10. It's a stream of how many employees, let us say, or it's a stream of 8 employees according to our logic. It's a stream of 8 employees. After filtering, tell me, after filtering, tell me, after filtering, guys, tell me, after filtering, we are getting one more stream. Let us say this is stream 1, this is stream 2. Now stream 2 contains only 5 employees. Let's say E1 is a male employee, E3 is a male employee, E4 is a male employee, E6 is a male employee, E8 is a male employee. Assume that. Okay. Out of 8, now how many employees are totally came into stream 2? 5. After which operation? Filter. Next, on each and every element in this stream, hike salary by 10%. Stream 3. Tell me, stream 3 also gets how many employees? 5 only. But what's the difference? 10% hike is added for E1, for E3, for E4, okay, for E6 and E8. Am I clear with you guys? Okay. Tell me, which operation I'm telling you to apply, okay, a given function on every element of this stream and produce another stream? Map. What's the name? Map. We should know them. Map. Map. Map is a method or operation of a stream. It maps the given functionality on each element of the stream and produces a new stream of employees. What's the new stream created here? Stream 3. It is taking elements from which stream? Stream 2. Means a map is also what type of operation? What type I mean? Intermediate operation or terminal operation. Map is also what type of operation? Intermediate operation. Intermediate operation. After getting them, after getting the stream 3, then you convert them into list. Did you guys understood my diagram now? It is list. So how can I collect the elements in a stream into a list object? To list. To list. Which operation I should call? To list. Now you tell me what are the 3 operations needed for my current requirement? First filter, then map, then to list. Filter, we got a clarity. Filter is a functional interface. It accepts a parameter of type predicate. Of what type? Filter, we know. Filter is very popular now. 2 times we have already used it. So you have to remember definitely. So filter is okay. But next new operation? Map. That's why I have opened map here. Look at this. Map is also function interface only. Sorry. Map as a parameter of type function. This function is also function interface only. Tell me, what is the abstract method of function?
Apply.
Apply. What is it? Apply. It has how many parameters? 1 parameter, T.
1 parameter.
It has a return type, R.
Yes.
Result, R.
Result.
Result is R type. Parameter is T type. Meaning is, it can return any type of result. It no need to result the same type taken as input. For example, there is a method. It should take input and return output of same type. Then I should write a method like this. T, that method name of T. What does it mean? What's the meaning of this one? Its meaning is this method should take a parameter and should return a result. But the parameter type and result type both must be same. For example, if it is taking input as a employee object, also should return employee object only. Are you able to get my point? If it is taking employee object as input, are you able to follow me? Returning bonus object as output, not accepted. Because what is the return type here? T. What is the meaning of this method? This method meaning is what? This method meaning is this method should return the output as same type taken as input. If input taken is a customer, it should also return customer only. If input taken is order, it should return order only. If input taken as employee, it should return employee only. But what's the meaning of R and T? It can take input of one type and can produce output of another type or any type. Same type or different type. That's why return type is given as what? R. R indicates result. Are you able to follow me now? That's the difference between R and T in the apply method. What is the result? What's the difference you guys understood? What's the difference you guys have understood? Okay. It takes one parameter as input and it will apply the given some functionality, whatever is defined, and returns result. Then input type and result type may be same or may not be same. It can return another type also. Any type it can return. Same type also okay. Or even it can return another type, that is also okay. Because return type is not T, it is what? R. Please understand this. That's the difference between both the methods. Okay. Observe here clearly. It returns a stream consisting of the results of applying the given function to the elements of this stream. This stream means current stream. Returns another stream means output stream. Tell me, this is terminal operation or intermediate operation? Yes, because it is producing another new stream. That's why it is called intermediate operation. Okay. Let us go to function. Everybody look at this. Tell me, what is the abstract method in this? What's the abstract method of this interface called function? Apply. It has how many parameters? One parameter. Its return type is a void, or it should return some value? It should return some value. What type of value? Same as input type, or could be any other type also? Same type or a different type also, because return type is what here? R, not a T, it is R. This is clear for you? Is this clear so far? Let's start writing. Everybody can see my code here. Code, yeah. Look at this. First, everybody understand, because we habituated at one statement only now. We don't want at multiple, first stream 1, then stream 2, then stream 3. Instead of writing like that, what I want to do? Write one single statement by following the method chaining. Okay. First, I'll do one thing. Let's do one thing. First, I will write normal procedure. Then I will comment it and I will write single line procedure. Now tell me, stream of employee stream 1 is equal to employees dot stream. Guys, what object is created right now? Stream 1. Stream 1. Apply what condition first? Filter condition. Then filter will produce one more stream, right? What is the next stream? Stream of employee. Stream of employee. Tell me what? Stream 2 equal to what? Stream 1 dot what? Filter of. Filter is a stream operation. It accepts argument. What type of argument it accepts? Predicate. Predicate is a function interface. So we can pass lambda. In Java, if a method has any parameter of type functional interface, we can directly pass lambda expression. That's allowed from Java 8. We can pass lambda expression as an argument for the method. Tell me what expression that should match with that predicate. E, arrow token. Tell me, E dot get gender, get the gender value of the employee. Next, equals ignore case of male. Of male, semicolon. Tell me what is created, guys, here. Okay, one extra. No problem. Tell me, stream 1 is completed, stream 2 is completed. Stream 2 contains only male employees, filtered with only male employees. Now, for each of this male employee from stream 2, 10% hike of the salary required. Tell me which method I should call to apply the given functionality for every element. Map. Map also produces one more stream, right? Stream of employee. Stream 3 equals to stream 2 dot map of. What should I pass? Lambda. Tell me, map method accepts a parameter of type. Parameter of type function. Whatever parameter? Function. Function is a functional interface. So tell me, if it is a functional interface, then we can pass lambda expression as a parameter. Tell me how to write that lambda expression now. If I want to write lambda expression, first of all, I should know about what is abstract method, how many parameters it has. How many parameters it has? One parameter. Now tell me, in my case, the stream 2 is containing employees, na? Yes. So I'm using E, one parameter E.
Trans to E dot website.
Okay, E is given as a parameter. Now execute the body on parameter. Functionality. What is the functionality required? 10% hike on the salary. Am I right or not? Means what first I should do? Means first what I should do?
E dot get salary.
First I should get the salary.
Yeah.
I should get the
multiply by-
salary. Increment 10%. Set the new salary again back. You got my logic now? First
Yes.
get the current salary of the employee.
E dot get salary.
Then set the new salary to that employee. Return the employee. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Tell me. Can you tell me the code for these steps?
E dot get
E dot
salary.
get salary.
Okay. E dot.
Get salary.
Salary.
E dot get salary means I got what? Salary. Next.
Into
How much
10%.
percent of increment? 10%. Then I should set the.
Multiply
Get current salary.
Then I
0.1.
should set that salary to the
10%
same
hike.
employee only. Next. Return that employee.
Yes.
Observe here. I liked. First statement, double sal equal to E dot get sal. What I got? Salary. How much percent increment? 10%. Double new sal is equal to sal plus sal into 10 by 100 means 0.1. Current salary plus 10% hike is added. I got a new salary. Next. E dot. Tell me. Set sal. Set sal of what? New sal.
Sal.
New salary, set it to the employee again. Return the employee. Am I right? This is the way of incrementing by 10%. Okay. Look at this. Everybody understand. Sal plus sal into 0.1 means 10% only, na? If my current salary 100%, for 10% incremented, it is going to become 110%, na? What percent? 110%, na? Then tell me what's the shortcut way of writing this? What's the shortcut way of writing this? That's it. You're right. Sal into 1.1. Sal into 1.1. 0.1 means 10%. 1.1 means 110%. What percent? 110%. Are you able to get my point? Return 110% of salary. That's called 10% increment. My salary 100%. How much salary I want to increment? 10% hike. Total salary becomes 110%. Are you able to get my point? Means my current salary into 110% is equal to 10% hike for me. Are you able to follow me? You can write like that also. If you are confused, you can write in the traditional approach. This is traditional approach. We can write. Now I have a question. Understand this. These three statements, I want to make a shortcut. Look at this. What's my shortcut? I think it is. From here I'll begin. E dot set sal of E dot get sal plus E dot get sal into 0.1. Can I write a shortcut like this? Both are
sir.
same. Okay. Both are same. E dot get sal returns what? Salary. On that salary, how much I am incrementing? 0.1, 10%. And I am setting this new salary to the employee. Just now I told you. What is the even more shortcut of this statement? E dot get sal into 1.1. That's why I have explained it. E dot get sal into 1.1%. 110%. Current salary 110% means what, sir? 10% increment only, na? Current salary is treated as 100% plus hike 10%. E dot get sal into 1.1. I can write like this, na? I'm going to use this so that I can shortcut these lines into one line. Next, return E. Are you able to get my point? Observe it. So I agree. Bit complexity is there, but on practice you will get. Tell me what the logic I wanted. E dot set sal of E dot get salary. Sorry, not set salary. I have variable salary. E dot set salary of what? E dot get salary into 1.1. Return E. Guys, tell me stream 3 is created. What stream 3 contains again? Male employees only, but their salary hiked by 10%. Convert them into list. How can you?
Sir, we'll have to add the
Employee.
increment into the salary also in line number 49.
Line number?
49.
Okay.
It should be get salary plus get salary into 1.1.
We cannot like that also.
Oh, right. Sorry. Got
It is 1.1, right?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
mistake. Sorry.
Yeah. Got it. Okay. Understand everybody. List of employee. Let's say male employees is equal to what I can write? Stream 3 dot
to list.
to list. Another way, guys. To list is newly added method. Not even after Java 8, not in Java 8, after Java 8. There is another option available. I can call to list method. Otherwise, I can call collect method. What method? Collect.
Collectors.
Collect method. Okay. Collect method is a terminal operation. What operation? Terminal operation. Collect method will perform reduction operation. Okay. Understand? It uses a collector object to perform the terminal operation. I'll go. This is a collector, map, filter. Okay. Flat map. Very important operations, guys. Look at this. Slowly, I'll try to provide. Look at this. I am going to call a method called what? Collect method. Collect. This collect method, this version I'm calling. Collect method, collect. This collect method I'm calling. It performs a mutable reduction operation on the elements of this stream using a collector. Means tell me what should I pass as parameter for collect method? I should pass an object of type collector. Let us open the collector. Tell me collector is another interface, but not a functional interface. It is interface, I agree, but not. Now tell me, can I pass a lambda expression as an argument to the collect method? No.
No, sir.
No. Why I should not? Because
It's not a
It's not a
functional
functional.
accepting an argument of type interface, but not functional interface. Just it is an interface, not a function interface. Did you guys understood my point? Very good. Again, coming to the point. In Java 8, first I'll close all these things. Guys, in Java 8, there is a class provided called collectors, which can produce collector object. Collectors. Java.util.stream.collectors.collector. Okay. I think correct package name. Collector, something. There is a class called collectors. Guys, what's the class name? What's the class name? Collectors. Collectors. Collector, collectors. Difference? Yes. Difference, yes. Collector does not contain letter yes. Collectors contains a letter yes. That's the difference. Huh? No. Collector is an interface. Not a function interface, just interface. Collectors is a class. It's a class. You know, collection, collections.
Collections
Interface.
interface. Collections is
Collections
class.
is a class.
Class.
Interface.
Collections dot sort. We know that method, right?
Collections. Yes, yes.
Collections dot synchronized list. If you want to convert your array list object into thread safe object, what method we called? Synchronized list, synchronized set, synchronized map. These are all the methods of which class? Collections. Guys, remember, collector is what? Collector is an interface. Collectors is a class. Don't confuse. Similarly, collection, it is an interface, guys. Collections is what? It is a class.
Class.
It is a class. Everybody, please try to understand this. Now we are looking for this. Collector is an interface. Collectors is a class. Remember, in collectors class, we have all static methods. In collectors class, we have all what methods only? Static. I'm going to show you. We are in the same page, collectors page only. Guys, it has all static methods. Now, these are static methods. We can directly call them by using its class name. What's the class name? Collectors. I can call the static methods directly by using what? Class name. What is a class name? Collectors. So I can directly call the methods by using the class name called what? Collectors. Moreover, collectors is a final class. You know already what is final keyword in Java? Final class means what? It is a
Overrated
finalized
class.
class. It cannot be further extendable. It is not further extendable. Can we create a child class for this class now? No, because it is a
No.
final. Final meaning the class is already finalized in this project, and this class cannot be further extensible. You can't extend it. Okay. Look at this. Please understand. In collectors class, all are what methods only, guys? Static methods. In the static methods only, you can find out a method called toList. What's the method name? toList. Guys, this toList returns an object of what type? Collector. Returns an object of type collector. Then tell me, our collect method also need an object of type collector only, na?
Yes.
Able to follow me? Then tell me which method I can call to convert my stream into, if I want to reduce the stream of elements into a list,
List.
the terminal operation if I want to perform, I am calling collect method. But collect method takes parameter of type collector. Okay. How can I create a collector object? To create the collector object, I need to use a class called collectors. In collectors class, there are methods. Those methods can create a collector object. Which method I have to call? toList, because I want to collect the elements of a stream into list. We have methods toList, toMap, toSet. Methods are available, right? toSet means collectors dot toSet returns a collector object. Returns what object? Collector. If I pass this type of collector object, then my collect method will return a list object or a set object. Set object.
Set.
But I want result into list or a set list. Then tell me which method I have to call?
toList.
Yes. If I want to reduce the elements in this stream into a list, then tell me I should call collect method with a collector object as a parameter which can reduce into list. Tell me how can I create a collector object to list? How can I create a collector
to
object
list.
to reduce the elements of the stream into a list? By using toList method. Collectors dot
Collectors dot to list.
slowly. You
Sir,
guys
can I explain once?
again it will be repeated next. In further example, I'll explain one more time. It will come
Okay.
2-3 times, don't worry. Okay. Now tell me which method I'm calling here? Collect.
Collect.
What a collect method can do, it performs a reduction operation on the elements of the stream using a collector. What this collector is saying? It's a collector object. It is saying that what converted to list. Now you tell me these stream elements are converted to list. If I set to set, if I call the method, then this collector object is saying that what reduction into set. Then you tell me collect method returns a set. But tell me here, I'm calling which method? toList. toList. Return male employees. Did you guys understood? It took time. Definitely, Stream API takes more time. Okay, right. Understand, Stream API is a lot confusion concept. Return male employees. I have a question. First, we are creating what? A stream to start processing. What's the first operation processing? First processing is filtration. Creates a new stream. Next operation on that, map. Creates another stream. Then we perform reduction operation. Final terminal operation. What's the terminal operation? Collect. These two are filter, map. These are what operations? Intermediate operations of the stream. But collect is a terminal operation.
Terminal operator.
Okay. So what's the shortcut? Instead of writing collectors dot toList, instead of writing this statement, there is a shortcut method is also available. Only for list it is available.
To
And not
list.
for set and all. What is that? toList.
To list.
What's the shortcut now? Okay, I'll come back again. But toList is a shortcut now.
Yes.
Can I have? Do I have to set also like that?
Yes.
To set, to map. These are not available. Only toList method is given. Only toList method. It's a shortcut. Otherwise, you want to learn the new, because toList already we have used in last example. I want to use collect. Now, guys, tell me what is the shortcut of writing this entire? Return employees dot
Stream.
employees dot stream
Dot filter.
dot filter.
Equals to
First
E equals to
arrow token E dot
E get salary.
get gender
Sorry, gender. Dot equal.
dot what?
Dot
Equals
ignore case
of male.
male. Dot
Tell me next.
dot map.
Dot what? Map.
Dot map.
Map of, tell me. E
Tends to
arrow token
arrow token.
curly brace.
Curly braces. E dot get
Tell me
salary.
what can I write? E dot
Get
Get
salary.
salary.
of E dot
Get
get
salary.
salary into
1.1.
1.1 10% hike.
Yes.
Next,
Dot.
return
E.
return E, close the curly brace. Body contains 2 lines now. Return E also should contain semicolon. Next, dot
Collect.
dot what method? Collect.
Dot collectors.
Collectors
Dot
dot
list.
toList. Both are same. Above, below, both are same. That's why I'm keeping that in comment without deleting. At least when you refer this code next after giving it to you, you can go through the code and you can understand the below one. That's why I'm not deleting it. Oh, correct? Okay, that's how it works. You should write code like this nowadays. You should not write like old way. Don't use iterator for each method, not like that. Those are gone. Okay, now all the code you write in this way only by using stream API only. That's why stream operations are very important nowadays for everyone and also for the interviews. Okay, lot of questions will be asked on streams. Okay, I have a stream like this. Okay, they will give a requirement. For that, you need to add filter, map, reduce, like that. So to add them, then you have to return the result. So they'll ask you, can you tell me how do you write the code using stream of Java 8? You have to start writing. Okay, good. Anyhow, guys, so now I want to invoke this method. Which method I want to invoke from main? Employees after hike. Let us consider who are the male employees in my data. Turner, Blake, okay, Mark, Scott, Ellen, 5. For example, take Turner, one employee, you remember. Current salary, 5,000. How much increment? 10%. 10% of 5,000, 500. Means what is his new salary is going to become? 5,000. If you observe for Turner, then obviously it is done for everyone. Let's go to main class, guys. List of, tell me, what should I write? List of employee, male employees is equal to, tell me, service dot employees after hike. Tell me how to display now. Male employees dot for each E arrow token system dot out dot println of E. Today, I'm going to give you more work for your brain. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, even I got for female employees. No, this is previous method output. Don't feel that we got female employees also.
Last two implement.
If you want only the current operation output, put that in comment. 2 for each are there, na? This for each will print what? Female employees. This for each will print what? Male employees with hiked salary. That's why both outputs are there on the console. Don't feel that we got the wrong output. Okay? It's correct output only. Now tell me, for Turner, what's the salary printed now? 5,500. Actual salary? 5,000. How much percent incremented? 10%. That's why we got the final answer. 5,500. Okay. If you want to write all the stream operations, you should have a lot of practice on stream operations. Okay. Good. Simultaneously, you have to practice also.
Thanks, sir.
At the end of the session, I'll give you. See, I am just performing operations on what now? Employees. You perform the same operations on orders. You take a list of orders. My list is what? List of employees. Your list is what? List of orders. Each order object contains ID of the order, date of the order, order date, order status, order amount, total amount or order amount. Amount will be there for order, date of the order, status of the order, pending, processed, delivered, cancelled, returned, something. Next what? ID. You create what instead of employee? Create one class called what? Order. Take the required attributes, fields, setters, getters, toString. Do all those. Now, same operations but apply on orders. Apply filter, apply the map, apply the toList, everything on what elements? Order elements. Okay. If I give this example, if you practice only this example, you won't get the programming skill. You have to try the similar operations by taking another example. Not only this example. This example anyhow visible to you. Practicing this is not great. But similar kind of other example you have to try. So then you will get a skill. Okay, let's start with guys. Okay. Collectors will get one second. So many times I'll explain, don't worry. Yeah. Tell
Yeah.
me. My requirement is we got the female employees and then okay. We are finding only male employees, hiking their salary by 10%, and we got the result. So what is a new operation that I have explained in this example? Two new operations we have discussed on streams. What is the first one new operation? Map. Other new operation, collect. Collect is a terminal operation, reduction operation, but map is a intermediate operation. Filter and map both are intermediate operations, but collect is a terminal operation. Okay. Now I am just asking, I'm not writing the code. Guys, write on the paper. Everyone, write on the paper for the requirement like this. Okay, the requirement is count the female employees in the list. Write the logic for this now using stream. Method name is count. Count the female employees in the list. Assume that you have employees. It's a list. You have a list. List name is what? What's the list variable? Employees. It's there with you. Feel that. Now start writing the statement. The stream statement. Count the female employees in the list. Count the female employees in the list.
Sir, can I use two times like filter.filter?
You want to first filter, then again you can apply. Why not? First you want to filter on their gender, then you want to filter on their salaries. You can do.
And map also, sir? Map.map?
See, whenever you call filter, whenever you call map, again result is a stream, right?
Yes, yes.
On that stream, again you can perform the operations, whatever you want. Stream operations.
Okay.
Map on map, you can do. Filter on filter also you can do.
Okay. So intermediate operator
After
can be
terminal
applied
operation, you cannot perform again intermediate operation.
Okay.
Terminal operation will give you direct result. After that, you cannot call the intermediate operation again. But you can perform in the middle same intermediate operation for multiple times or a different intermediate operations, whatever you can do as per your requirement. Okay. Count the female employees in the list. I am telling that what you have already list. What's the name of the list? What's the list variable name? Employees. Just what I'm asking. Count how many female employees are there in this list. That's what I'm asking. That's it. That's it, simple. Can you guys tell me? I will write here. What is my list variable name? Okay, I'm taking a variable called long count is equal to or long C is equal to. Tell me. First, what is my list variable name? Employees. It is a list. Tell me. Start the stream. Without starting the stream, how can you perform the stream operation? Stream.
Dot filter.
Next one, dot
Filter.
filter.
Yeah.
Filter.
Filter.
E. Arrow
arrow
token.
sign. I dot get
We know
gender.
filter accepts an argument of type predicate.
You don't get
Predicate
employees.
functional interface. We can provide lambda. Okay. What is a
E dot
abstract
get
method of
gender.
predicate? Test. It has one parameter.
Test.
Return type
You
boolean.
Boolean.
don't get gender.
Tell me.
E
Dot
dot
Get gender.
get
gender.
gender.
Dot equal ignore case.
Okay. Equals or equals ignore case, whatever you want you write. Dot female.
Dot
Count.
This is filter.
Dot collect.
count.
Dot count. That's it. That's it. It's completed. Dot count. What it returns? Count of the all employees or only female employees?
Only female.
Employees. If I'm asking, count all the employees who have the salary more than $5,000. Same logic. Or the logic?
Employee dot stream dot.
E dot get salary greater than 5,000.
5,000.
Same answer, na?
Yes.
Good. Suppose if I'm asking, count the employees who have the passports. Assume that every employee has a property or element called attribute called passport. There is a list of employees. Count how many employees are having passports. Then what do you write?
Dot get passport.
Suppose an employee, there is a passport field, which is Boolean field. Passport is a Boolean field. Passport true means that employee has a passport. Passport false means he does not have a passport. For every employee, employee ID, employee name, salary, and also passport field is there. Passport is a Boolean field. Then tell me, how do you say, I want to ask a question, count how many of these employees are having passports. Then what do you say?
E dot.
Again filter. E arrow token. E dot
Get passport.
has passport.
Passport.
Is passport. Whenever you have a Boolean variable, it's a getter method starts with is. It's a getter method starts with is. E dot is passport. Dot count. That's it. Are you getting my point? Like that, you have to try. Your own examples, you have to try. Feel that this is employee class. Employee class contains variables called employee ID, fields, e-name, salary, passport. This passport is a Boolean variable. It is a double. It is a string type. It is an integer type. Okay? Like that you try. Okay, same type of logic. Same type of logic. Yes. Now I want to start other one. In the next one, in the next example, in the next method, I'm not writing this one. Directly, I'm going to start with this type of code. Okay. Fetch. Top paid employee. Fetch what? Top paid employee. Top paid employee meaning highest paid employee. The employee having max salary. Top highest paid employee. What will you do?
I dot string dot max. Max inside that get salary. E dot test to get salary.
Okay.
That's it.
See,
Yeah,
there
it's-
is a method called max. I'll show you. First, then you can say you can try your answer. First, let us go to this is stream operations. This is collector class. Okay, I'll go back to stream. This is stream. I'll go to a method called max. There is a method called what? Max. Max min methods are available. Yes, max. What is the return type of max method? What is the return type of the max method? Optional. What is that? Do you know optional class already? Yes, optional object is a container object. Yes, it may contain the value or it may be empty. Very good. Returns the maximum element of this stream according to the provided comparator. Tell me, max takes a parameter of what type?
Comparator.
Okay, I repeat again. It takes a parameter of what type? Comparator. Comparator is a functional interface. It has one abstract method called compare. Its parameters are 2, O1 comma O2. It returns what value?
-1, 0.
Negative integer or 0 or positive integer. I mean negative, 0 or positive. Compare
Yes.
method. We know comparator many times we written in the collections
Yes.
topic. So which method I can call now? Which operation I can call on the stream now? Max. What should I provide?
Comparator.
What should I provide? Lambda expression. I can pass lambda expression because it is accepting an argument of type functional
Lambda.
interface. Can you guys tell me how to write now? Can you guys tell me how to write now? See, public return type is employee, not list. Why not list? I want only top paid employee, highest paid employee. One employee only I want. Top highest paid employee. Public employee. Return type is employee. Method name is top paid employee. Tell me what will you do? Tell me one statement now. Return.
Voice.
But before I start return, I need list, right? Call this method. You will get the list, right? I got a list of employees now. Tell me in the all list of employees. Now tell me what's the return statement I would write. Return employees dot stream. Okay, dot stream. Next one.
Max.
Stream means stream object created. Next one.
Max.
Which one I have to call?
Max. Yes.
Tell me to the max I should provide what? Max takes parameter of what type? Comparator. Comparator is what?
Comparator.
Functional interface.
Tell me what should I provide? Tell me the lambda expression.
Implementation for comparator.
E1 comma E2
E2.
arrow token.
E1 dot get cell.
E1 dot.
Curly brace start.
Delivery system.
Curly brace start is correct. Tell me.
Yeah.
If
E1.
condition required. Tell me if
E1
E1
dot get salary greater than
get salary less than. First let's start with the less than. Tell me.
less
E2
than
dot
E2 dot get salary.
get salary.
Return
Return
-1.
-1.
Else if
Else if
E1 dot get salary
E1 dot get salary equal to
greater than
E2 dot get salary, then return 0.
0. Else return
Else return 1.
1.
Else return 1. I should close this first curly brace for max. The lambda expression curly brace completed. Then this max is completed. Next dot.
To list
Not list.
dot
I'll tell you.
Dot get.
Next, what to do?
Dot if present.
Do you know what max method returns?
Optional, sir.
Optional.
Do you know what max method returns?
Optional.
Optional.
Optional object. What
Yeah.
object? Optional class object returns.
Okay.
Now tell me, from optional class object, if I want to get the value, then which method I should call?
Dot get.
Dot get.
Not yet.
Yes.
Dot what?
Dot get.
Directly if you want to get. If
Okay.
you want to check, then you want to get, then call first. If
If
present,
present.
then get it.
Yes.
Am I right or not? That's
Yes,
why I
sir.
told optional class important. Operations are also important. If present, is present, get,
Yes.
or else through. Tell me.
Dot.
Directly I want to say dot get.
Dot. If.
Directly I want to call dot get. Tell me what max method returns?
Optional class.
Optional. It returns an object of type optional class.
Optional.
On that optional class object, which method next I'm calling? Get.
Get method.
Get. That's it. Now I want to invoke this from main. Let's go to main. I want to keep this in comment. Means I do not want to have any hike without hike. I'm just keeping this remaining code in comment if it is not needed. Tell me. Employee, top paid employee equals to service dot top paid employee. That's what the method I'm calling now. Display it. System.out.println of top paid employee. Okay, you see the list of employees first of all. Then tell me who is the top paid employee. First, we should have an idea. Who is a top paid employee of this entire? Mark. $8,000. Mark. Let's run this code. What's the answer? Mark. Salary $8,000. Did you guys understood how to get it? Very good.
Yes, sir.
My next question. I'll share this code with you today. You guys need to practice all this. My next question is, guys, this code is to fetch which employee? Top paid employee. Top paid employee. Sure. Understand clearly and try to get it. Everyone. Suppose I want to get the top 3 paid employees. Not only top paid employee. How many? Top 3. Top 3 paid employees. Can I use max now? Can I use max now?
No.
Because max can only return one element. But I want a top paid or a top 3. Top 3 means I can't use max. Max means only returns one top highest paid employee. But I want top 3 paid employees. Top 3, not top 1, top 3. Then tell me, how do you do that? I'm writing operation fetch top 3 paid employees. Top 3 means I'm going to get a list, right? Or the data type? List. Why? Because it is one element or three elements. Three elements will be stored in the collection object only. Na? Can I return the three elements one by one individually? One method can return how many values? One value. If you have three
One value.
objects, how do you return them?
Either array or
Add them to an array or add them to a list. I mean collection, return the collection.
yes.
Yes. Tell me, top 3 paid employees method. How do you do this work? Guys, tell me, how do you do this work? How can I able to do this? Top 3 paid employees.
We can use limit and the sort method compare.sort.
We can use sort and then limit.
You can use sort and skip method also.
What's the answer to say?
We can use sorted then.
There is a
Compare
method,
dot
guys.
sort.
We cannot use max. We cannot use max or min. Max means
Skip
highest
method you
paid
can
employee,
use.
one employee. Min means least paid employee, one employee. But our requirement, not a top 1, top 3, top 3. So first we should sort them in descending order. What order? Descending. If you sort them in descending order, then tell me top 3 in the result. Are the top 3 paid employees, na? Yes? Only get those 3.
Limit.
So
3.
how to get only the given number of elements means there is a method called limit. What is it now? Limit. Limit. But before limit, first what should I do? Sort.
Sort.
In which order? Descending order I have to sort. Means my if conditions I should reverse. In place of -1, I should write +1. In place of +1, I should write -1. Then I will get what order? Descending order. Descending order. Otherwise, in place of E1, I have to use E2. In place of E2, I have to use E1. That is also descending order. Instead of writing, when at the time of writing E1 comma E2, arrow token, if what are you writing? E1 dot get salary less than E2 dot get salary. Now you write what? E2 dot get salary less than E1 dot get salary. You change E1 as E2, E2 as E1. You will get what order? Descending order. Otherwise, write the same code, but in place of -1, write +1. In place of +1, you write -1. Now tell me. Look at this. Return. First, I should get the employees, right? I'll copy this line. Folks, everyone, try to understand how we are performing the stream operations. Tell me, we got a list of employees, right? What is our requirement? What is our requirement? Top 3
Okay.
paid. Whether that employee could be male or female, we are not bothering. We want only top 3 paid employees. Look at this. I have a question. Do I need to apply any filtration? Do I need any filtration now? No filtration required. Directly find out top 3 and return. Tell me what to do. Return employees dot stream dot sorted. What's the method name? Sorted. Sorted also one operation available on stream. Sorted. Sorted takes comparator as parameter. If a parameter is a functional interface, if it accepts a parameter of type functional interface, then we can provide pass lambda expression. Tell me what's my lambda expression of comparator? E1 comma E2 arrow token. Start the curly brace.
Yes.
Tell me the logic.
If
E1 dot get salary less than
E2 dot get
E2
salary.
dot get salary, then return
1.
Return 1, not -1. 1. Reverse now. Next.
Else
Else if
E1 dot
E1 dot get salary equal to E2 dot get salary, then
Sir, in 94 line you can mistake.
else what? Return.
Sir, in 94 line.
Are able to get my point?
In the line
E1,
number 94,
E2.
E2 dot get salary.
Okay. Yes, yes. By mistake, it is displayed. Thank you. Get salary. Dot limit of size 3.
Yes.
Now my stream contains only how many elements now? 3 elements. Convert
Three.
them into list.
To list.
Slowly, you will get a good practice of the streams. Tell me which operation I'm calling first?
Sorted.
Sorted. I'm calling what? Sorted. After sorted, it will sort in which order? Descending. I have a stream of elements in descending order. But I want entire stream or only top 3 elements? Top 3. How to get only 3 elements of a stream? Limit. You can specify the size. Limit of 3 means I'll get only 3 elements of the stream. Limit of 5 means 5. Suppose if my question is fetch a top 5 paid employees, then what you call? Limit of 5. But now it is limit of 3. Dot to list. Call this in main. I want to keep these lines in comment. List of employee, top 3 employees equal to
Employees dot. Sorry. Service dot.
service dot
Top 3 employees.
top 3 paid employees. How to display them? How can
So
I display them?
using for each or
For each, I told already don't use iterator or for each
For
loop. Now
each.
you are in Java
Okay,
8.
for each
Which
method.
you can call? For each
For each
method.
method.
Top 3
Employees dot for
employees
each.
dot
For each.
for each.
E
What to do? Display. For each method accepts what as parameter?
consumer.
It has a parameter of type consumer.
Yes.
Then we can pass lambda expression.
Lambda.
E
And
arrow token system dot out dot println of E.
E.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Before we run, you can also check who are the top 3 paid employees in this list of employees. Mark 8,000, Sophia 7,000, Scott
Sophia Scott. Mark
6,000.
Sophia Scott.
Okay, na? Let's
Yes.
see. You got the same answer?
Yes.
Mark, Sophia, Scott,
Scott.
8,000, 7,000, 6,000 salary in dollars. Let's say. Now you tell me we got the answer for what? Top 3 paid employees. Look at the last statement. Today I am writing and closing the class. I'm not going to explain anything on this. Tomorrow I'll talk on this. There is one new operator I have used here. This is called method reference operator. What operator? It's a special operator in Java. It doesn't come under your arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, not like that. It is a one more special operator. Like a new keyword is there. New can be called as operator also, na? New operator we are calling to allocate the memory. New belongs to which type of operator? Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator. No, it's a special category. These are called special operators. There is a new special operator given from Java 8. That is called what operator? Method reference operator. What is it? Method reference operator. I'll explain about this tomorrow, not today. Okay. Just 2 colons is a symbol. Colon, colon, double colon. Output is same output. You got the same output, right? Nice. So guys, this class code I will provide you just like a reference. Use this code as a reference. It's not installed. Okay. I'll use a notepad, don't worry. This is Docker. This code I'm giving just like a reference purpose. Based on this code, you try to write the code for order class. Which class? You practice this code. Along with that, you also try to add the new code with order. Top 3 highest paid, highest amount orders. You can write the code now. Okay, top highest amount order. Top 3. Can you write like that? Latest order. Latest order means what? Date. Order contains what? Date. If the order is given today, just now, that is the latest order. Okay, latest order means how can you find the latest order? By sorting them on dates. By sorting them on what? Dates, you can find out the latest order. Okay. I'm only providing this employee service doc as a text document. In the chart box, use it as a backup and try to practice this example by creating employee class and also add main class. And second, you guys can also use order class and do that. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I think you got the file called employee service.txt. Please download it. Syllabus is endless.
Sir, could you please also share the notes? I missed yesterday's class.
Okay. Sorry, somebody is saying something.
No, sir, could you please also share the notes? I kind of missed the yesterday's class.
Okay. But I think in the I have not added anything today. I'll add those statements. This is yesterday's notes only.
Okay, sir.
I
that
will
is
add
okay.
some statements today, but as of
Okay.
now, I have not added anything here. It is same as yesterday's notes only. If anybody wants to download, I'm sharing it, you can download. But
Okay,
if
sir.
you have already downloaded yesterday, then you know you download it again today. That's what I want to say. It will make you a bit.
Yes, sir. Please send this one.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
For the rest of my life. Ain't the
Yeah, you can do it. Those who have not downloaded these notes yesterday, you can do it today. But if you did it already yesterday, then no need to do it today because the same notes No new statements are included in the notes.
Hi, sir. In the map function, do we need return statement?
In the map also. Yeah, if you are calling setter method return type is void. But it should return some value, no? That's why I have used a return statement after that. If I'm just calling a getter method or any method which is returning a value, then I no need to write a return statement explicitly. But in my example, I called a setter method whose return type is void. So that's why I have written separately a return statement to return the object.
Yeah, got it.
Yes, yes.
Sir, are you going to cover record also, which is introduced in Java 14?
Sorry.
A record.
Java 17 feature.
Okay, sir.
After Java 8, I'll start straight away Java 17. Done, sir. Okay, that's from my end for today. We'll continue on tomorrow. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.